Hi, James Braithwaite here again, and welcome to my bathroom tile Tetris. The reason it's a bit of Tetris is because of all these outside pipes and things that I couldn't really cross. That I did earlier, and this I've just finished off. I've used all my tiles up around the Kazi. I mean, there was a lot of wall mould there, so hopefully the adhesive and the tiles are gonna hide it or suffocate it, as the case may be. All looking round here, I'm quite pleased with the dark green lineage that I put over the top, and all this, as I say, to go around the Kazi and get rid of all the bloody mould that was there. So, this is my day on the tiles, playing Tetris, so I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.